If you're looking for a mid-budget smartphone with an amazing camera quality that can even rival the iPhone, then you absolutely need to check out this Nokia smartphone. According to the latest reports, Nokia is all set to pack this incredible device with a 500-megapixel DSLR level camera and powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite processor, all of this at an unbelievably affordable price. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. In today's video, we'll dive deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So, let's start. Features of Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. Display. When it comes to display, this beast packs a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus LTPO OLED display, with HDR10 Plus support, delivering stunning visuals. But that's not all. You also get a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass Armor 2 for ultimate durability, and an in-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the real showstopper, the camera. This phone rocks a quad camera setup, headlined by a mind-blowing 500-megapixel primary sensor with OIS. And it doesn't stop there. You also get a 100-megapixel, 50-megapixel, and an 8-megapixel macro sensor. For selfie lovers, there's a 100-megapixel front camera ready to capture every detail. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is an absolute monster. It's powered by Qualcomm's latest and most powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite, ensuring blazing fast speeds and seamless multitasking. And for software, you're looking at the all-new Android 16 right out of the box. Battery and charging. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Turbo Pro 5G packs a massive 8500 mAh battery, and with 150-watt super-fast charging, you can go from zero to full in no time. Price and launch date. This power-packed Nokia beast is expected to hit the global market soon, with rumors suggesting a late 2025 launch. And the best part, it's expected to start at just around $690, making it an absolute steal for the specs it offers.